Welcome back guys to another video. If you're a Spark driver, you're wondering how to get your 1099 NEC. In this video I'm going to show you where to go to get your 1099 NEC. If you try to get it from the Spark driver app, you're wasting your time, because this app's only thing it does, it gives you job. Okay, it doesn't do anything else. That's why the partner with a third party called DDI is the one responsible for your personal information. Any update you want to make, you have to go to DDI. This is where you're gonna be able to update your personal information and download your 1099 NEC. I'm not gonna take too much time from you. Let me show you exactly how to get your 1099 NEC. Right now it's time to show you exactly where to go to download your 1099 NEC. To do that, you're just gonna go log into my.ddiwork.com. This is where you're gonna go right here. I put the link below this video. If you want to click in it, it's gonna take you right there, and it's gonna open a window like that to you. You're gonna say Spark driver, and you're gonna ask you for your username and your password. You remember in the beginning when you sign up, right? They ask you for a username, so this is the username you're gonna use right here. And if you're wondering what is the password is the same password that you use to log into your Spark driver app. This is the same password you're gonna put right here, and after that you're gonna click login. But let's say if you forget your username or your password, you're just gonna click forget username, and it's gonna ask you to enter your email address. After you put your email address, it's gonna send you your username, and when you're gonna come back and put it back. So if you forget your password, it's the same thing. Okay, after you put your name and username, you're just gonna click login. So after you click login, you're gonna say welcome your name, and you're gonna say earnings. I want you to click in tax document. This is where you're gonna be able to get your tax document. So after you click in your tax document here, and you're gonna see right it is a message pop up say you haven't consent to receive electronic tax document for 2023. What does that mean? Because there is two ways to receive your tax document from Spark driver. So the first way is electronic. The second way, they can mail it to you. Let's say you want to receive an electronic tax. What you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your initial right here to the right side, and you're gonna click in it. It's gonna bring you a little window. You're gonna click in setting. After you click in setting, as you can see right here, this is no, yes, and it's gonna say your preference has been changed. If you go back to tax document, you're gonna see you haven't is gone. So that's mean you give them consent to send you electronic tax. That's mean you waited. Soon as your tax is waited, they're gonna put it right here for you. You're gonna able to download it. So the deadline to change to electronic tax is by January 12th. If you didn't do it by January 12th, you're not gonna able to get electronic tax. That's when they're gonna mail it to you in January 31st. So if you want to get your tax electronic, make sure you do it right now, because time is running out. And if you wonder how much money you have to make to send you a 1099 NEC, you need to make at least $600. If you make $600 or more, you will receive a 1099 NEC. So make sure you use it to fill your taxes. You don't want to get in trouble with IRS, because they will send your information to IRS. That's why it's very important, soon as you get it, put it in your taxes together when you're about to fill your taxes. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and see you in the next video.